Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Cancer, let's see. Ano yung energies ng inyong kaperahan? Money, career, finances. Wave. This is unity. Connection mo sa sarili mo. Maaring meron kang haharapin. Haharapin mo na yung tinatakasan mo. Maaari kasing, meron kang dinidelay na gawin kasi syempre kapag ginawa mo medyo malaking responsibility or kailangan mo siyang asikasuhin, 'di ba? But I feel like ngayong April you will finally ask yourself, kailangan mo ba talaga tong gawin or hindi? Kasi kung hindi, i-let go mo na. Pero kung kailangan mong gawin, then you will finally take action. Kasi minsan may mga ideas tayo na, gusto ko tong gawin. Pero wala ka namang ginagawang action. So now, you're going to connect sa sarili mo if you really want that. Kung gusto mo talaga. O napipressure ka lang sa paligid mo. Or pinipressure mo lang yung sarili mo. 9th house, you are seeking. So some of you, meron kang exploration. Pwedeng may travel opportunities for you. Para hanapin mo yung sarili mo. Parang I'm trying to find myself, char. Ganon. Yung iba naman, this is learning. Meron kang aalamin, tutuklasin through learning, no? Sa pagiging mas curious dito sa gusto mong gawin for your career, for your business, like yung direction na gusto mong tahakin. Virgo, the alchemist. Methodical, yes. Kasi gusto mo yung magiging actions mo, may step, may direction, para hindi siya nagra-rumble na kung saan-saan lang papunta. Oo. So, I feel like you are organizing things. Let's say, meron kang kailangang i-accomplish for the day. Isusulat mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong accomplish at kung anong oras mo dapat matapos yon. Kasi dahil doon, no, may sense of direction ka. Hindi yung pwede pagka hindi mo kasi yan inimpose sa sarili mo, meron kang mga goal na hindi mo magagawa for the day. And sayang yung oras, 'di ba? Let's see what else. Some of you will also take care of your health, no? Kalusugan mo. Syempre, health is wealth. Ang kalusugan ay kayamanan. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, your opportunity, your blessing, energy ng money, energy ng career, energy ng kung wala kang work. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Emperor. So this is finally taking control of your life. This is pagiging seryoso. Seryoso sa trabaho, seryoso sa business, seryoso sa goal mo, or sa direction na gusto mong tahakin. You are also more disciplined, no? Mas dinidisiplina mo yung sarili mo na, self, dapat ganito, ganyan. Yung gagawin mo. Meron kang purpose, meron kang plano. Hindi yung parang bahala na si Batman. Your overall energy is the Justice card. This is about balance, equality. This is also knowing what you want, no? So, importante rin kasi pagdating sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo eh. Kasi kung hindi mo alam yung gusto mo, wala kang direction. Okay? So, some of you naman, if meron na kayong trabaho or career, ibabalance mo yung oras at panahon mo sa mga importante rin bagay sa buhay mo. Like your family, yourself, your dreams, no? Your challenge is the Queen of Cups. Maaring meron kang creative pursuit, yung parang meron kang creative plans na hindi mo nagagawa because you feel na may kulang. Kaya, nagiging excuse mo yon para hindi mo gawin. Oo. Like, for example, gusto mo magnegosyo, no? Um, ito, gusto mong subukan. Pero, naisip mo, ay, next time na lang kasi wala akong pondo or kulang pa yung knowledge ko. So, syempre, it's up to you kung paano mo i-resolve yung kakulangan na yon. Kasi doon mo malaman kung gusto mo talaga eh. 'Di ba? Kaya ngayong April, you will know what you want. Whether you're going to release or i-let go mo na yung plano mo or finally, you will take action. And then your opportunity is the Queen of Pentacles. You have the resources that you need. Yung mga kailangan mo for this project, meron ka na. This can be yung contacts mo. Meron kang taong pwedeng hiraman. For example, gusto mong magbenta ng puto. Oh. So, inisip mo, ay wala akong steamer. Pero meron kang kaibigan na may steamer. So, pwede mo siyang hiraman. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi pinangungunahan na natin na, ay, baka wag na, hindi naman niya ako pahihiramin. Paano mo nasabi na hindi ka pahihiramin kung hindi mo pa na-try? 'Di ba? So, saka ka mag-react kung ano yung next step mo kapag hindi nag-work yung una mong plano. So, halimbawa, naghiram ka dun sa friend mo, Mare, pahiram naman ng steamer. Ay, Mare, hindi kasi ganito, ganyan, whatever. So, hindi ka pinahiram. O di, dun mo masasabi na hindi ka pinahiram. 'Di ba? But, the resources that you need is already there. Okay? And, you have the opportunity to collaborate with others para sa needs mo. Maaari ding meron kang opportunity na maging leader sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo. Your blessing is the Six of Swords. As a blessing, this is about self-discovery, exploration, and moving on. So like what I mentioned kanina, maaring meron kang hahanapin. Yung parang you're trying to find your purpose. You're trying to find your destiny. So the blessing here is once na mag-decision ka. Okay? Once na mag-decision ka, doon mo na makikita kung ano yung destiny mo. Kasi meron ka ng conviction of yourself na, oy, ito yung gusto ko. 'Di ba? So kasaka ka na makakarating doon sa patutunguhan mo. Para rin yung magdadrive ka. So, magpapaikot-ikot ka lang kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta. Wala kang mararating na destination talaga. So, I think ngayong April, you will know what you really want. Now, your money is the Queen of Wands. So, entrepreneurial yung energy ninyo. Maaring meron kayong ma-accumulate na pera sa pamamagitan ng pagnenegosyo. And then, this is your career. You have the Six of Cups. This is reconciliation and also energy ng past. So, pwedeng sa career path mo, meron kang babalikan. Pwedeng babalikan mo dati mong trabaho, dati mong pinagkakakitaan, or yung techniques, strategies, kaalaman, yung knowledge, yung skill mo na nagawa mo or ginamit mo in the past, gagamitin mo ulit ngayon for your career, for your business. And then, doon sa mga walang work, you have the World. Wow. Completion rewards. So, maaring yung iba, you are exploring international opportunities, no? Kung ikaw ay walang trabaho ngayon, kaya siguro ganon dahil nag-a-apply ka ng trabaho abroad kasi meron ding 9th house dito which is about overseas, no? So pwedeng ganon. And yung iba sa inyo kaya kayong walang work kasi katatapos lang ng project nyo or ng kontrata ninyo. So nagchichill lang kayo. Yung iba sa inyo merong positibong epekto sa inyo yung pagkakaroon ng maraming kakilala. Network. Yes, your network is your net worth. Something better awaits for you, Cancer. And then altar. A special place, a space to have quiet meditation. So I think yung iba sa inyo, you will connect to your higher self. Na maaring mas gusto mo ngayon na meron kang space sa bahay or sa place mo wherein meron kang kapayapaan ng isip para makapagdasal, to tap into your instinct, your intuition, or to your higher self. New opportunities and choices are opening up to you now. Claim them, yes. May mga bagong oportunidad na nagbubukas sa'yo. The time is right to release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. So, meron kang i-release na old patterns, something that is no longer serving you. At dahil doon, meron kang pagkakataon na baguhin yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Because something better awaits for you, for your career, for your business. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.